Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel at Semco Painting and Decorating. Today job is gonna be painting this door behind me. We're gonna do it in black Hampton Style color. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove all the handles and all the steel from this door, so it's easy for us to paint. So we're gonna go and do that now. Stay tuned. Second step is gonna be repainting painting this timber in the acrylic paint. We're gonna do the bottom of the door and then we put the door back in place. After we do that, we do the undercoat on the door and then the undercoat on all of it. We're gonna use Precision from Dulux, and we're gonna use oil-based paint from Dulux Gold Labor. Precision undercoat is acrylic because that's a bare timber. So let's do it. Now we're gonna sand the rest of the door, all the green part. We're gonna sand the light sander using 120 grit sandpaper, block sander. The reason why I'm using this one, so I can get into the curves of the timber. After that, do undercoat, oil-based undercoat on all of it. Just stay tuned. Now we're gonna do the top coat. So we're gonna do 2 top coats. Before we do any top coats, we're gonna give a light sand. We're gonna use 240 grit sandpaper. So it's just a light sand. We are lucky we don't have to do any normal gapping or patching on this door. It's just repainting basically. So it's a light sand and repainting it. So stay tuned. That was the first coat. Now we're gonna do second coat, and it's the same principle. We're gonna give a little light sand, and then we're gonna apply second coat, and that will be it. After the paint is dry, we're gonna put back all the locks, and then we're gonna take before and after, so you can see the difference on this door. Stay tuned.